everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to show y'all what I've got here. This is a vintage Valentine's Day journal, or Valentine's journal, or a romantic journal, and shabby vintage Valentine's yumminess. No, seriously, I love it. I am so in love with this, and I'm so happy with how it came out. So let's get started. It's chunky, so I've got it tied together with some vintage lace. Okay. Now, I got the prints and the ephemera from many different places. And I will leave a link in the description to all of that. Y'all, look at this rhinestone covered heart, dangly heart. It's just gorgeous. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting to use this, and here we go. The right project. I love it. Pretty little print. Got some tickets here. Alright, I wanted y'all to see the side chunk. And then, hopefully y'all can see the bottom chunk. Yes, absolutely overflowing. We've got bead dangles. We've got ticket dangles. We've got lace dangles. Just, so much prettiness. Okay, so, open it up. And I know that y'all could see this from the front. There's two of them. And so let me show you these journal tags that I made. There's one. And then I'm going to show y'all, and oh, I did line the back with this. And I'm going to show y'all the other one when we get to the end. So let's go through this. Made this envelope. Did some sewing. There's a lot of sewing and hand and stitching throughout this journal. How cute. How cute. I love it. Checking the back to make sure y'all can see. Some pretty gold sparkly lace. Sorry I keep doing that. I just really want to make sure that it's in view. And because I don't do it up here on top of my desk very often, I'm not certain. I got these tickets hanging out the bottom. I thought that was just adorable, and to be able to show right there. So I've got these tickets hanging out the bottom. Here, I've got the CD case, little snippet here with some beads hanging off. I've got a flower over the tickets. Of course, that opens up. Got a little pocket space with some more vintage ephemera. And in there, got this beautiful tag. I love that tag. Got some ephemera tucked into this. I thought that was just a really, really pretty heart. Okay. Bunch of sari silk and ribbon work that I've done. Pretty little paper clip. But look at the paper clip, y'all. It's a letter with a heart. So pretty. And inside the envelope, I tucked another pretty little piece of ephemera that you could write on. So, I mean, yes, there is a ton of stuff in here, but it is also not short on writing space. And if it's not enough pages for you, there are journal cards absolutely everywhere that you can write on. So, I just think this, to me, this journal it has everything. The best of all the journal worlds. Oops. Didn't mean to put that one there. There we go. Got a little tuck spot here. With some more pretties and writing spaces. And some more pretties and writing spaces. And I love how this collaging here, how this dictionary page, one of the words at the top is loveliness. Of course, the other one's a lorikeet, and who doesn't love a good lorikeet? There we go. Y'all excuse my wonk fingernail. It's really messing with me right now. I have no idea how I broke it this morning. I was headed upstairs and just noticed. Who knows? Anyway, okay, tons of ephemera here with plenty of writing spaces. Cute little mini tickets. I'm going to stick those back real quick because I do not want to misplace those, but they are pretty secure in there. Got this cute little snippet that I made. How adorable is that? And made all of these pockets here. Little heart snippet there. Let's see. Do that. I like for everything to show just a little bit. At least a little. There we go. Things peeking out. It does have two signatures. Y'all think you could just see that there. Two sewn in signatures. Over here, this is a really big tuck spot. I've got more of those tickets here. Some burlap down here, and I just stuffed it full of some more really pretty vintagey Valentine stuff. Again, that you could write on the back, journaling cards. Perfect for that. Okay. Y'all see all of Esme's pretty laces. Here I've got a tuck spot with a snippet. I love that. I love that. Yeah, well, all of this stuff makes my heart smile. It really, really does. But there are some that's just like to me, that's sophistication beauty. I love that. Gorgeous. But that's just sweet. And it makes my heart smile. So it's a different kind of pretties. All right, here I've got a belly band. I think that's just, it's very elegant looking, very pretty. Love that kitty. Look at that. Ah! I could just stare at it all day. Okay. Over here, a bunch of stuff. I got the signature sewn in here, and I made this pocket, tons of pockets. Some more tickets, more ephemera journaling cards, just a lot more. So pretty. And you'll see the staggered pocket areas there. Oop, you go over here, don't you? Do I want to tuck it in there? Yeah, I think I do. Put it down in there like that. Okay. Lovely. Another little tuck space. Look at this, the collaging I did on this envelope pocket that I made. I love that paper. I think it is so pretty, so delicate. So I made the 2 pockets and did collaging on those and got all of these pieces in here, and one of those hearts that I love that y'all, whoever gets this, oh, a little bit of glue, hot glue on the back of that, can actually write on the back of the heart. I think this is right. And a belly band that I made out of a bunch of different pearl ribbons. Pearl ribbon. And then, isn't that gorgeous? Just gorgeous. So as y'all can see, it's not just the pages that you get, and yes, there's plenty writing room in the pages, but there is also just so much room on these cards. And the final piece, last journaling card. I think those are just gorgeous. One of my favorite things to make. There's the back. And here's the back of the book. And y'all, this book is soft and crunchy. Y'all hear that crunchy goodness? And it is made from an Amazon bag. I get a ton of those bags. I have to order. It's the only place that I can find the potassium that I need is there. So I get them quite often, and I'm like, you know, let me try this. And then with where I open it is perfect for these big journal tags. All right. So there we go. What do y'all think? This one, I have not decided yet if it's going to go in my Etsy shop or if I'm taking it to my shop, my booth that I have now. But I need to decide soon because Valentine's Day is coming upon us, and I know that somebody is really going to want this and give it a good home. If you are watching this and you want it and it has not already sold, well, you wouldn't know if it's sold or not anyway. But anyway, just let me know and we will set that up if it's not already gone. Anyway, thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all later.